Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another one. Happy Cash Out Fridays. All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy Cash Out Fridays. This video, I'm just going to show you why my system is so important. All right, why you need to use this system, why you need to be able to use this money to invest. All right, use this money to invest. All right. Shout out to my subscribers in the online team. I appreciate all the love. Hit me up. Follow me on Facebook at Jesse Lewis. Follow me on Instagram at Free Online Moneymaker. Message me. Ask me anything. Super transparent. I'm here to help. All right. I'm here to help. All right. All I do is just use different sites, apps, different ways that you could make money online. Use it to create businesses offline or online. Whatever you want to do, just use that money for investment money. Continue to invest in yourself, and you will be able to start earning different streams of income. All right. So it's up to you to start creating different ways that you feel like you can be able to make money and you be able to profit. All right. So it's my back office right here. Couple stats. All right. Minus stats right now. I got $36.60. I'm gonna just go straight to cash out. Like I said, watch my other videos. I show you in-depth details of all my stats and what everything means and what's the importance. All right, this video I'm just showing you why everything is so important. You continue to do what you have to do over and over, little by little. You start earning some income. All right, share your link. Talk to people. Let people know what you're doing, but you have to know what you're doing first. That's why I said watch my tutorial videos. Watch my step-by-step videos. All right. I'm gonna go to rewards. Watch these videos. These videos will help you out. All right. These videos will help you out on an every single day basis. All right. Right here, I'm going to PayPal, left hand side right here. I'm going to just do a $20 cash out now and do a $15 cash out once that $20 clears. So I'm going to do a $20 first. Claim this item. And I am going to also start, I just made a, let me see this. I'm claiming this item right here. I just made a cool decision. All right, I got a next cool video coming up. I'm going to set up an account to where I just use that, and I'm started off, and I'm not gonna cash out for a year and see how that goes. Just to show you guys the power of how fast the year goes, how fast time goes, and what you could do with making a couple dollars every single day and just putting it away to the side. All right. So this $20 is going. I'm gonna go to my other site, Offer Nation, right here. Like I said, watch these tutorials. They really help you out here. All right, my tutorials really help you out. I tell you step by step exactly where to go in this site to earn income. All right, to earn some type of income. It's up to you to just take some time. I teach you how to do surveys. I teach you how to watch ads. I teach you how to do different offers. All right, so it's up to you to just put that time in. It's gonna be slow at first because you're new. Just keep going at it. Keep going at it. Just put your whatever time you have a day. If you have 2 hours, put 2 hours every single day. And just see how you can just make some more extra income every single day. Just add it up. All right, I'm gonna do my transfer my cash right here. This is why my account is so important. Because this right now with this $30 right here, $28.38. I'm gonna take this and use it for something. Fill up your gas tank, pay your phone bill, invest, go buy a book, go buy a course. If worse comes to worse, anything that you have to do, you could at least have some type of money to do it with, right? This is $28 right here. I'm just gonna withdraw this. I'm gonna go here, hit withdraw. Alright, so that's 2 cash outs going. As you can see on the top, they're both loading and going in. Alright, I'm gonna put this back at convert. Go back to SuperPay right here. SuperPay, I haven't really been doing much. So I have about $1 and some change. So I'm just going to leave that there. And like I said, most of these are off of my referrals, people. I hardly do anything now, all right? Sometimes I come in here and I do a survey. Sometimes I come in and watch a couple of ads. But I hardly do anything. This is what I'm trying to tell you. But when you're first starting, you have to put in that work. Put in that work when you first start. Learn how to make money off this site so you can show somebody else how to make money off this site. And once you start sharing your link, you start talking to people, things are going to just start rolling in, all right? But it's up to you to just take this free money that I teach you how to make $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day. Some people are making $30 every day. Take that money and invest it. So that way you're always doing better. That way it's always helping you out. That way you don't have to use my system. Once you find a different way to make a stream of income that could pay you every single day, that could pay you every 30 days, that could pay you every 6 months, that could pay you every year, like, you know what I'm saying, that really works, it's going to help you out. It's going to help you out a lot, all right? So I'm going to convert my points right now, 801.54. $8.02. I'm going to go to withdraw here. I'm going to withdraw that $8. All right, so I just cashed out. I'm going to just check my PayPal because I forgot how much I cashed out actually. Close this pop-up and refresh this just to see if this cleared yet. Right here. See if this cleared right here. So like I said, use this money to invest. I'm telling you. If you just use this money to just go to movies and buy clothes and just stuff like that, that's cool too. That is pretty cool. But you have to use it to further, to get faster in this process. Process of what? Process of making automatic income. Making different streams of income. Even if it's not automatic. Even if you have to work at it, that's still fine. Whatever you could do to take money to invest for you to get smarter, learn, read, grow, build, scale, do different things, to start doing what you want to do in life. This is what you have to start creating, different streams of income, all right? You have to. This still didn't go through yet. All right, it's pending, so that's fine. Right now, I'm just gonna log into my PayPal real quick. So right here, just logged into my PayPal right here. All right, as you can see, $40.61. I always leave my PayPal at 0. It's just how I am because I like to invest and try different things with my money. So I don't usually let my money sit. I probably choose different accounts to let some type of money sit, but I usually don't let no money sit. I usually invest almost everything I got all the time because I love learning. I love trying new things, and I love creating different streams of income that help me out on an every single day basis. All right. Soon I'm gonna start building some of these small accounts, put them all to the side, and that's gonna start my real estate portfolio with that money right there. $40 right here. Let me see what cleared actually. It's supposed to be 50 something, not interesting. August 4th payments. Okay, something's not right. It's supposed to say 54. 55 and some change. I gotta refresh this. Why does it only say 40? Looking at the account, it looks like it's supposed to say $54, but it says 40, so let me see what happened here. Okay. Yeah, that's how it was. October 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 payments. Maybe it didn't clear it. This activity. But it didn't clear it. Okay, that's fine. So like I said, this is the way. Oh, I still have 15 here. Payment complete. Here it goes. Payment complete. Okay, so now I'm about to cash out. Now I'm about to cash out another $15. But that's the name of the game. All right, it's really simple as that. You have to keep investing, learning, and putting into this money, putting into different ways to make more money. So if I teach you how to make $20 a day, let's say you're in your routine, your rhythm, you're making $20 every single day using my system. Let's just say, all right, you're gonna start using that money. Either you're gonna save it for something bigger, or you're gonna keep using that. As soon as you get maybe $80 here, $100 here, you'll save it up and then you use it. Whichever way you want to do it, and invest it into something that's gonna make you $40 a day. It's gonna make you $80 a day. That's gonna make you $100 a day. It's gonna make you. Did you just want to continue to level up so you learn different ways to build streams of income? All right. So once you start figuring that out, how do I make $10 extra every day? How do I make $20 extra every single day? How do I make $100 extra every single day? So you start putting things together. All right, I'm gonna go to my PayPal right here. So I'm gonna do the other $15 right here. So we'll be up to $55. I don't know. I don't think my PayPal account was in negative. Maybe it was. I don't know. I've never seen a PayPal account negative. But maybe my account was in negative. I gotta check. I doubt it. So it should be even more. It should be 57 plus this 15, but it says $40. So we're gonna find out, see what happens. Let me clean this item right here. Hit OK. This one's gonna take about a couple of minutes to clear it as well. So that's the name of the game. Just continue to invest. All right, continue to invest. So it's really a $57 cash out. $57 cash out plus plus $15, which is $72 cash out. So it's a $72 cash out right here. As you can see on the fourth right here, 27 plus 20 plus 7 is $54. Yeah, $55 change. $55 and some change plus this 15. All right, so it's always up to you to make sure you have free income. All right, hit me up, follow me, ask me anything. I'm super transparent. I'm really trying to help you. All right, if you use my system, you will always have some type of money, $5, $10 a day. Even if you're making $10 a day, you still at $3,600 a year if you're making $10 every single day. So it's up to you. All right, $10 a day, $300 a month. All right, so it's up to you. What are you using this money for? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with this money? How are you gonna invest it back into yourself? How are you gonna make more money off this money that you're making? All right, it's up to you. All right, I got people all across the world that are using my system, doing different things. So it's up to you. Just hit me up. Like, we're not making hundreds of dollars a day yet. All right, like I said, I got different ways that you're gonna be able to do that. You're gonna be able to level up, but until you level up, you're gonna have to learn how to get this other money, how to get this free money coming in, whether it is $5, $10, $20, $30 every single day. All right, so it's up to you. Do what you gotta do. Hit me up if you have any questions. All right, I'm super transparent. Follow me on Instagram. Message me on Facebook at Jesse Lewis. And check me out. All right. Also, check out my new channel, Autoland Jesse. All right. Check that out. Subscribe. Show me some love. All right. Appreciate the love. Take it easy out there. Keep grinding. Keep grinding and stay focused. All right. I am proof. Go watch my first 10 videos, my first 20 videos. I am proof that you can start from nothing and just continue to build it, continue to build it, continue to grow. All right. Free online money maker signing out. Peace.